Ever wondered why your slow cooker takes so long to make dinner when the same device could use the Instant Pot feature and be done with it? It's a bit like waiting for a kettle to boil on a campfire when you've got a perfectly good electric kettle sitting on the counter. So now you know, an Instant Pot may be used as a slow cooker, among other purposes. This option is great for people who want the ease of a slow cooker but lack the space or desire for an extra appliance. The Instant Pot brings a whole new level of versatility and convenience to your cooking. Are you ready to revolutionize your kitchen experience? Brace yourselves, we are about to explore the magic of Instant Pot as a slow cooker. So, you've got this shiny new Instant Pot sitting on your kitchen counter and you're wondering, what now? Well, let's get you acquainted with your new culinary comrade. Picture the Instant Pot as a spaceship designed to take your taste buds to the moon and back. The lid, that's your cockpit housing the pressure release valve. The spaceship's rocket booster, if you will. The inner pot is the cargo hold, ready to accommodate your favorite ingredients. The control panel, that's your spaceship's command center with buttons that might seem like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie. Fear not, each one has a distinct function that we'll delve into later. And the heating element, think of it as the engine room, working tirelessly to transform your ingredients into delectable dishes. Now that you're familiar with the spaceship in your kitchen, let's move to the next step, making it work like a slow cooker. Ready to find out how to transform your Instant Pot into a slow cooker? It's easier than teaching a cat to sit. Let's dive right in. First things first, plug in your Instant Pot. It's a bit like making friends with a robot. You have to give it some energy to get it going. Now, once you've got the power on, you'll want to pop the lid on. No, it's not like dealing with a tricky jar of pickles. It's a lot more straightforward. Next, you'll want to add your ingredients. Think of it as creating a masterpiece, only this time your canvas is an Instant Pot, and your paints are the ingredients. Don't be shy, throw in your meats, vegetables and spices. Remember, the Instant Pot isn't fussy, it's not going to complain about what you put in it. Now it's time to set the cooking mode. This is where the magic happens. Press the slow cook button. Imagine you're a wizard and your Instant Pot is your cauldron. The slow cook button is like your magic spell, transforming your Instant Pot into a slow cooker. Finally, set your cooking time. It's like setting an alarm, only instead of waking up to a loud noise, you're waking up to a delicious meal. Adjust the plus and buttons until you've reached your desired cooking time. And voila, your Instant Pot is now a slow cooker. Who knew it could have a secret identity just like Superman? Now, before you start slow cooking everything in sight, let's go over some do's and don'ts. Firstly, do give your Instant Pot a good scrub every now and then. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about flavor. Old food particles can impart unwanted flavors to your new dish, so keep it clean. Don't put dairy products in at the beginning of the cooking process. They tend to curdle or scorch, so save the milk, cheese and cream for the end. Do make sure you have enough liquid in the pot. Without enough liquid, your dinner could end up a charred mess. Not exactly the gourmet meal you had in mind, right? Don't open the lid too often. Each time you do, you're letting out heat and steam, which can significantly slow down the cooking process. And finally, do remember to enjoy the process. Slow cooking is not just about the destination, it's also about the journey. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Handle your Instant Pot with care. So, you've made it to the end of our Instant Pot journey, and you're still standing. Impressive. We've navigated the winding roads of this culinary expedition. Discovering the Instant Pot's many facets, we've acquainted ourselves with its buttons, dials and quirks and learned how to transform it into a slow cooker. Remember when we were baffled by that slow cook button? How innocent we were. We also ventured into the territory of Instant Pot do's and don'ts. Who knew overfilling could lead to such dire consequences, or that a simple water test could save the day? And let's not forget the magical moment we discovered the natural release method. Ah, the drama. So you've braved the Instant Pot wilderness and emerged a seasoned explorer. You've learned, laughed, and maybe even cried a little, but most importantly, you're ready to conquer the kitchen with newfound confidence and a slow cooker button in your arsenal. Now go forth and slow cook with confidence, knowing you've mastered the art of the Instant Pot. Happy cooking!